Sensors are the eyes of industrial automation. They're mounted in places to count, detect, and verify the status of your automated system. Today, we're covering inductive sensors and their role in industrial automation. Inductive proximity sensors detect the presence of metallic objects at close range. These sensors create an inductive field that reacts only to metal targets within their sensing zone. Parts and machine elements can be detected for purposes such as counting, indexing, verification, end of stroke or travel, determining orientation, and many other common automation tasks. Detectable metals include iron, brass, aluminum, copper, and stainless steel. Iron provides the greatest sensing distance, while other metals require closer proximity. These sensors are low cost, reliable, and available in a wide variety of shapes and sizes for industrial applications. Whether round, rectangular, or square, all inductive proximity sensors operate on the same principle. Choosing the right sensor depends on a few criteria: sensing distance, size and shape, switching frequency, IP rating, mounting needs, correction factor, and weld slag resistance. The sensor body size and shielding type play a major role in determining sensing distance. In many applications, mounting the sensor close to the target isn't always possible. In these cases, a longer sensing range is often preferred. For example, in a furnace application, using a sensor with an extended sensing distance may reduce the need for more costly high-temperature models. Placing the sensor further from the heat source helps minimize thermal stress, which can lower maintenance needs and extend the sensor's service life. There are two main types of inductive proximity sensors: shielded and unshielded. A shielded or flush-mounted sensor can be mounted with the sensing face level to the surface. An unshielded or non-flush sensor requires a metal-free zone around its sensing face to avoid interference. The trade-off? Unshielded sensors typically offer greater sensing range. For example, a standard 8mm flush mount sensor might have a sensing distance of 1.5 mm. Compare that to a non-flush mount version in the same family. It extends to 2.5 mm. Mounting styles can also vary. Non-flush sensors provide the longest sensing range, but require the most clearance. Semi-flush sensors need less clearance and offer a moderate range. Flush sensors allow the most flexible mounting with the least interference, but with a shorter sensing distance. Every inductive proximity sensor also has a specified switching frequency. This is the fastest rate the sensor's output can transition between on and off states. For most applications, the speed is more than enough to handle normal operations. But if you're working with very fast-moving parts or using the sensor in a tachometer application, it's worth paying attention to the switching frequency to make sure that your sensor can keep up. Maybe you have a slower-moving application with a small gap between parts. You'll need a high switching frequency for a fast on and off cycle to detect all parts coming through the sensor. Inductive proximity sensors are the most sensitive to ferrous metals like iron. When you're detecting non-ferrous metals, such as aluminum or stainless steel, the sensing distance is reduced. This is called the correction factor, or K factor. Some sensors are designed with a K factor of 1, meaning they can detect all metals at the same distance, so you don't have to worry about adjusting for different materials. You also want to consider the environment your sensor will be in and select one with the appropriate IP rating, ensuring it can stand up to your system conditions. Finally, some sensors are specifically designed for automated welding applications. These sensors carry a slag metal rating, are weld field immune, and are some of the hardiest in the family to survive the harsh conditions in welding applications. At Automation Direct, we carry inductive proximity sensors to fit any application or budget, from a wide selection of reliable brands. You can narrow down your choices based on your application directly on our website, or use our object detection tool to help refine your selection. If you have more questions, our tech support team is ready to help. Visit us online at AutomationDirect.com to learn more. Click here to learn more about our inductive sensors. Click here for more videos.